Hello everyone, good morning. So it's the third day we are at my parents in Brittany, all the way western France, the north coast of Brittany, very close to the south of England. And since we are here, there's been a very big storm in western France and southeast. Southeast was really badly hit. Here was okay. Here everything is made for rough weather, so it's fine. Only a few inundation. And we woke up this morning, no more wind, no more rain, and amazing sun. Behind me there is England. You cannot see, but it's not that far. Maybe, I don't know, 100 kilometers, something like that. Hello everyone, good morning. So Sienna is only half French, but I'm telling you she loves French bread. Every morning she wants baguette. So every day we go to the town center here in the village. My parents live in a small village, like 8,000 inhabitants. So in the village there are a couple of bakeries, so every morning we walk there, it's like 1K to buy fresh baguette. Un muffin au chocolat? Ouais. Waouh! Tu vas le manger? Swimming pool time! Où on va, Sienna?
Swimming time!
Swimming pool! Indoor, obviously. It's winter. Ouais! Go, Sienna, go! Sur papa! Hey, not raining, not cold, so to make the full of it, we're going to the beach. Just 10 minutes drive from my parents. Sienna with her grandmother.
The alphabets are not allowing me to stay, I will again have to go on the road, walk for long, search
Good morning,
for another
7:30 in the morning. We're doing online schooling, so Sienna goes to an Indian school, so we still can, with the time difference, we can do the one other lesson, the last one, at 7:30. Numeracy lesson now. So she can see her teacher and friends. Kenna.